Morning everybody, it's Bill with Supreme Paver Experts. We are at a paver sealing today. This is a referral for a new install on back porch area. So it's not a big project, but it's a project nonetheless. So let me walk around and show you what we got going on here. Okay, so got this deck right here. We got some ant piles. You got to take care of those for sure. These are beautiful stones here. And we have a small little section on the outside right here. Okay. So we'll hit this with our three-step cleaning process. We'll treat for efflorescence since these are new pavers. All right, so at least we have some shade to work in here this morning. It's starting to get real hot out here. But, all right, let's get busy. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here for today. We got our three-step cleaning process done. We'll let this dry up overnight, come back in the morning, put new sand in, and lay the sealer. Not a whole lot to show here. I mean, they're brand new pavers, so. But we'll get them sealed up and protected, so they'll be good for 4, 5, 6 years maybe, since most of this is all covered up. Okay, we'll see you back here in the morning. Okay, so we're back at the new installed paver deck. So let me walk you back and show you what it looks like. All right, so we got everything cleaned and prepped. Now we're back this morning. We'll put the sand in. This is getting field stone. Put the sand in and lay a sealer. These beautiful stones here. Yeah, these are pretty much ready to go now, so we'll get the sand back in and we'll be good. At least we got to work in the shade today, so that's a bonus. It's been hot. All right, let's get busy. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here. Man, did it get hot. But anyway, there you go. This thing's turned out beautiful. Look at that shine on there. Okay, well, this is Bill with Supreme Paver Experts. These are the kind of results you're looking for. Reach out, give us a call. We never charge for estimates or free consultations. So you can reach us at 813-853-3557 or visit us on our website at www.supremetampabay.com. All right, this is Bill at Supreme Paver Experts. We will see you at the next job.